Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show how to fix Counter-Strike 2 unable to load module engine 2. Follow my steps. Click search bar and type device manager. Click device manager. Click display adapters. Select your display adapter. Right-click and update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Wait. Installation complete and click close. Close window. If that didn't work, open Steam. Go to the library. Right-click Counter-Strike 2. Click Properties. Click Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. After complete, play Counter-Strike 2. If that didn't work, right-click Counter-Strike 2. Click Properties. Click Installed Files. Click Browse. Click Game folder, Bin folder, Win folder. You can see CS2. Right-click in Properties. Click Compatibility. Check Run this program in compatibility mode. Try Windows 7 and Windows 8. And check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply and OK. Close window. Play Counter-Strike 2. If that didn't work, open File Explorer. Go to the C disk. Click Program Files 86. Click Steam folder. User Data folder. Click this folder. And delete 730 named folder. Close window. And play Counter-Strike 2. If that didn't work, open Internet browser. Go to the website, link in the description. Scroll down. Click Download. Install downloaded file. Click I accept the agreement and click Next. Uncheck Install the Bing bar and click Next. Installation complete and click Finish. Close DirectX website. Go to the website link in the description. Scroll down. Download 3 files. Install downloaded files. Click I agree to the license terms and conditions and click Install. If it fails to install, no problem. Repeat for the other. Click Close. Repeat for the other. Click Close. Close Internet browser. And restart your PC. Problem solved. Like and subscribe.